This autumn, with Claire, we decided to take our first camping van trip ever. As mountain lovers, we chose to visit the Italian Dolomites. It's safe to say it was the best vacation of our lives. It's hard to explain with words the feeling of freedom and the communion with nature the van life provided. We slept under the stars, and every morning we woke up with breathtaking sunrises over the Alps. The adventure was epic, and its memory will remain vivid. After living this unreal experience, it is certain there will be many more camping van trips.